What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And today I want to talk to you about nut drivers.
Say what?
Yes, nut drivers. A lot of you HVAC techs, electricians, you use self-tapping screws fairly often, like probably every day, right? And a lot of you will know that some of the nut drivers made for your drill driver or impact driver that are included in these kits, sometimes they can have a shallow well. And what happens is they build up. Because it's magnetic, they'll build up with the shavings from the metal you're drilling into. And once those shavings are in there, they're pretty tough to get out. It's a pain. Now, we have a video over here to show you a little hack how to get those shavings out. But if you want to just dispense with all of the hacks and dealing with these shallow well nut drivers and the troubles, and you want something better to drive your nuts, I got something for you today, and it's coming right up. Here it is. It's the Dewalt 5-piece detachable nut driver set. It's impact ready. It's product number Dewand-5. Yes, Dewand, D-W-A-D-N-D-5. Now, why was I so excited about this kit? Because, quite frankly, it's pretty much looks modeled after one of my favorite nut driving kits so far, and that was from a blue competitor. Now, I don't know how long this has been on the market, but when I saw it, I said, I have to have it. It says it's cleanable. It is magnetic. It includes sizes 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. It is for impact drivers. I'm sure you could use it with your drill driver if you must. I'm gonna tell you another feature that I really like about this kit, and that's the clear case. So if you were gonna pick up your case, your tools, and put them away, and sometimes if you had like a standard case, like this one, you don't know if all the parts are in there. You might be in a rush, you know, your case is already closed up, you go, I guess I got it all. This case, if you see that one of your nut drivers is missing, you could go on the hunt for it before you leave. I will say this, so far my favorite part of this kit is the case. This is pretty cool. That's what I call frustration-free packaging. You know what's nice about this kit? Immediately, look at this. It has a belt clip. You could even put it like on your front pocket, on your tech shirt. Look at that. The case has a nice metal clip that says this kit means business. Very nice. I like this kit already. The clip seems pretty robust. It works in the same manner as the DeWalt Deep Pro organizers. So here's your 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch adapter, magnet adapter, okay? And all you're gonna do is you're gonna slide your magnet and your adapter, which has a ball detent. Wow, this is, like you can't make this stuff up. Like literally, like I'm gonna show you this. You saw me open the package, right? Okay. I went to, and the 5/16 is what I grabbed, because that's what I have here for self-tapping screws. So I'm looking at it, and I said to myself, this doesn't seem right, but here is the ball detent. I thought I saw some notches on the 5/16 drive. When you look at this one here, okay, it hasn't been milled. Like, I can't make this stuff up. Do you see that? So it hasn't been, okay, look, here's the 1/4 inch. This is the back end of the 1/4 inch. You'll see that that's milled to accept the adapter. Okay? The 5/16 has not been milled to accept the adapter. We can't get our adapter in the back end. Now, we can get it in the front end because it's 5/16. It's just weird, man. Then we have a useless 5/16 drive. It's not been milled here. And it's just a matter of machining. I mean, it's just a matter of machining. You could look at it on both directions. You could see the flash that's left. It's not like it's something that it's not plastic, okay? So it's not like something I could just clean up. Some leftover flash. It needs to be machined, okay? So I'm kind of disappointed with the fit and finish of the kit. You just can't, I just can't make this stuff up. I just, I don't know what to say. I love the idea of the kit, but what we do have is, we have some number 8 screws. So we can show you how this kit works. We could use that with our 1/4 inch drive. Now, I'm gonna put this back because I'm gonna have to return this thing. It stinks. All of the rest of them, the 3/8, the 7/16, and the 1/2 inch have all looked to be properly milled. It just so happens that the one that we use, and I use the most, the 5/16, is not. It's just, you can't make this stuff up. It's bizarre. Yeah, this, we're gonna get it now. How come you're the only one that ever got this kit that didn't have it milled correctly? Oh, is it a coincidence that you got a bad kit? I would think so, yes, but what can you do? I don't know what to say. So we have these number 8s by 3/4, and you'll see it will fit like a standard nut driver. Pretty cool. I dig it. Now, you will see that the well is shallow. The well is shallow, and what's the problem with the well being shallow? The problem generally with shallow well nut drivers is that they build up with that debris from the self-tappers. But you don't have to worry about that with this kit, because to clean your nut driver, all you got to do is pull off your socket or your nut driver from its magnet. Okay, we'll set this aside. You probably should be wearing gloves when you're going to clean the metal shavings off. You clean off the metal shavings, you put your nut driver back on your magnet, and you go back to work. It saves you time, saves you a headache, because you can positively drive your screws, not have to worry about having slippy bit nut driver syndrome. And if you like the idea of not having slippy bit nut driver syndrome, then smash the like button. I tell you, I like the idea of this kit. Pretty cool. Okay? I like it, and that's why I wanted to share it with you. It's a bummer that all of the sockets weren't milled correctly. I'm going to have to return it. I'll pick up another one. But I love the clear case. There's a lot of things to love. The only thing I don't love is that one bad socket. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Yo, is that bizarre? You can't make that up.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.